As night complies with day, a facelift for the 2024 Tesla Model Y electric SUV is expected to show up closely behind the upcoming update for the Tesla Model 3 sedan. A leaked image of the facelifted Tesla Design 3, understood inside as the Highland, showed up online earlier this month, giving a sneak peek of what the updated Tesla Design Y, apparently codenamed Juniper, can look like when it shows up next year. Illustrated by Drive's Photoshop guru Theottle, the updated Design Y adopts the brand new front end from the Highland Model 3, with slimmer, Roadster sports car-like lights as well as a less complex front bumper. Although the version 3 and Design Y have one-of-a-kind bodywork, several outside components on the Model 3 and Model Y headlights, taillights, mirror caps, door takes care of as well as video camera components are greatly shared in between the two vehicles. The layout of the existing Tesla version Y's front bumper is really comparable to the Design 3, recommended the facelifted car's new front bumper form might spread out across to its SUV sibling. News agency Reuters was first to report on prepare for the facelifted version Y, which is because of go into production in October 2024 concerning a year after the updated Design 3, because of roll off the Chinese assembly line from September 2023, according to news agencies Reuters and Bloomberg. The Reuters report asserted upgrades would include the exterior and inside of the Design Y, however it is unclear how extensive the modifications will certainly be. Updates to the Model 3 car are apparently slated to consist of the front-end restyle seen in the leaked picture, plus changes to the rear bumper, door mirrors, as well as cam components on the front wheel arches, and also front bumper. While the Design 3 renovation is set to obtain a restyled body line around the front wheel arch cams, which will certainly expand into the front doors for the very first time the Model Y has had this design since it was revealed in 2019. Records likewise claim Tesla is intending to change from in-house design seats to an exterior supplier, while the faux wood grain look dashboard trim presently paired to black artificial leather look seats may be replaced by a fabric finish. Reuters asserts changes may also be planned to the Design 3 and version Y's electrical motors and battery packs, however specifics are yet to be revealed. Watch on Drive for more information of the 2024 Tesla version Y as its reported launch nears next year.